Hi, this is Rebecca with RebeccasRoadmap.com, and this is my after the pen video for September the 24th through Sunday the 30th. And I'm going to tell you today is actually, I guess it's October the 1st, which I need to put my October in and do my planning, but I'll talk to you about that in a second. But like I said, this is my after the pen video, and if you're wondering like what this star is and these little things, I did a video on 5 ways to use washi tape in your planner, and I'll link that down below. But I show you how to make like this washi star and washi boxes and all these little things. So let's see what happened this week. I did get my 2 videos up. I did my after the pen and I did my washi tape video. I did work in my art journal. I'm trying to like do a step a day, if that makes any sense. Since art journaling is kind of about layering and things have to dry, I try and do a little bit and then let it dry and then pick up the next day and do a little bit and let it dry. That's kind of been working pretty good. So, and the sun's doing weirdness here. I don't know if this video is going to end up being dark or light. But we finally have some sunshine today, and my camera's doing some weird setting because of the sun. So I don't know. Hopefully this comes out okay. I have a blog post written on the washi tape video, but I don't know why I have this mental block. I've got to get over it with the whole blog post thing. But I've got it written. I just need to finish my pictures and then I can make that live. So I'm hopefully going to get that done today. We'll see how that works. If you watched my video on setting up my mini happy planner for the month, I was telling you that this is like the 13th week. If you're working on a 12-week or quarterly rotation, you've got a 13th week in there that you can use for planning. And that's what this week is. Now, I had originally taken off Friday so I could like do all my planning and then shoot my videos, so forth, so on. But real life intervenes, and my husband ended up having a colonoscopy scheduled for 7 a.m. on Thursday. So I had to take half a day off on Thursday. So everything that I would have done at work on Thursday, I had to go in on Friday and do, because it was the end of the month for all of our people, and I had to make sure I had all my reports and everything done. So that kind of messed things up a bit for my planning. So I ended up taking today, which is Monday, off, which actually worked out okay because it's nice and sunny, and I think it was kind of funky on Friday, but it's a nice sunny day. And I had intended to clean on Saturday, but I was just tired. I mean, that was a little stressful. I know it's not that big a deal, but you know, having to be at the surgery center or the outpatient clinic, or you want to call it, for 7 a.m. and, you know, going through all that, getting my husband home and settled, which he does not do well, and they have to put him under. So I got him fed when I got him home and put him back in bed, and he slept for most of the day. And I went to work. And just, you know, things happen to make things a little stressful. And so I was trying to work ahead so I could take a day off, and life was not cooperating. Life wasn't cooperating with my planning. Yeah, I'm sure that happens in your life too. But, you know, the beginning of the week is okay, and then the end of the week was stressful. So Saturday, quite frankly, well, let's rewind this a little bit. Friday, for some reason, my husband thought he needed to go to a away game for football. It was like an hour away, and he did, and he didn't get home till midnight, and he's like, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what he was thinking either, but I think he was still under the influence of the anesthesia. So anyway, I did work on my art journaling Friday, and then I went and got in the tub and took a long hot bath and read. That is what I did Friday night. Yeah. I don't have very exciting weekends here. I don't know about you, and I kind of like it that way. Less excitement's good. So then Saturday we slept in and we had like brunch because it was like 10 o'clock. And we just kind of never got going on Saturday. I think I got up and got dressed and I did some laundry. And I think I did some dishes. That was about it on Saturday. And then Sunday we got up and we have a newer Walmart that was built here. So they built it with the new Walmart pickup center thing going on. So my husband wanted to try it out because he had heard good things. So Saturday night he put in an order for Sunday morning. I think we had to pick it up between 9 and 10. So we got up and we usually go by Aldi's and get some almond milk, which is new and it's on the way too. So we got some almond milk and then ran to Walmart. And that was like the most pleasurable Walmart experience that we have ever had. It was good. I mean, we didn't buy any like produce kinds of things that anybody would have to pick out. It was just, like tuna, fish, and dog food, stuff like that. But it was very good. So if you want to use this, one thing the girl did tell us, because she substituted like the guacamole I like because they were out of the one that I like. But there is on there somewhere a little button you can click. You have to look for it that says no substitutions. So check that out. But definitely use that, especially if you buy the same thing over and over every week. Just think of the money that you might save by, not wandering around Walmart and putting things in your buggy. And the time, and quite frankly, not having to touch the Walmart buggies, because I don't know about you, but there always seems to be some bug I pick up when I go on Walmart. So Walmart bug. Anyway, I ended up sick, so I don't touch the buggies at Walmart. Okay, so that was Sunday. So I came home Sunday, did more laundry, started my bedding started to wash my bedding, and I did my weekly home blessing. So I got everything swept and mopped and everything. Did more dishes because their dishes don't ever end. And started thinking about what I wanted to do today. One of my main issues and what I was working on is I have my workspace is like it's like a 6-foot long desk. It's not that deep, but it's like long, and I've got my laptop like set up on the left hand side, and then the right hand side, I started out with just like a planner and a book and but it ended up piling up, so that space was really not workable. So I totally cleaned my desk off, and I've got it set up so I can do my art journaling on my right side and do, leave my laptop and stuff on my left. So my theory is I can go and work and not have to move stuff. So I moved like my planners and stuff up on the shelf above, and I think that's gonna work for me. We'll try it out this week and see if it works a little bit better. I put some cups with some markers and art supplies and stuff there, and a candle. And then I've got my art cart with all my paint and everything right next to that. So I think it'll work out. So I got all of that done today, and it is, what time is it? It's 12:30. And I'm going to finish this video. I'm going to have some lunch, and then I'm going to look at planning for the fourth quarter. So everything I planned for the third quarter, I kind of didn't do. I don't know what happened to me. I fell apart. It was because of summer vacation, because my husband's a teacher and he was home or what, but yeah. I just never got back on track in the third quarter. Maybe the second quarter. I don't know. It was weird. So as I was cleaning stuff today, I found all of these plans I had made for this year. And I put them in a stack in a bin. So I'm going to go through all of those things that I said I wanted to do and see if there's anything I can actually do and get done for the fourth quarter. So I don't know where you guys are with your fourth quarter planning, but it might be a good time to take a look and see what you did and didn't do, and maybe you can get some of it done before the end of the year. So I think that's enough of my chatting for the day. But I did get a whole lot of cleaning done, and hopefully this afternoon I can get a whole lot of planning done. So I wish you luck with your fourth quarter planning. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, because you know, why not? And as always, I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time. Bye.